In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new frame in Miro. Frames are like containers for your content. They help you organize ideas, create sections for presentations, and keep everything tidy on an infinite canvas. By the end, you'll be able to open a board, select the frame tool, and draw a clean, adjustable frame that's ready for your work. Start by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. You'll land on your Miro dashboard where you can start new projects or open existing ones. To begin a fresh canvas, click the Create New button. This is your gateway to starting something from scratch, and it sets you up for a clean, distraction-free space. Next, choose Board. A board is Miro's core workspace, the blank canvas where you'll add sticky notes, shapes, images, and, of course, frames. Once your new board opens, give it a moment to load and you'll see the main editing area in the center with tools along the edges of the screen. Now it's time to add a frame. Look to the toolbar on the left side of the board, find and click the Frame tool. The icon looks like a rectangle, and when selected, it enables you to draw a framed region on the canvas. You'll notice your cursor change and a subtle outline indicating that you're ready to draw. To draw a frame, move your cursor to the area of the canvas where you want it, then click and drag. As you drag, you'll see the frame boundary follow your movement. Release the mouse when the frame is the size you want. That's it, your frame is placed. If you need to fine-tune it, you can grab the edges or corners to resize. You can also click inside the frame to reposition it on the canvas without affecting its contents. Frames are flexible, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always adjust after you've added content. A quick tip while you draw. Zooming in can help with precision, and zooming out gives you a clear overview of how your frame fits into the larger board. If you're planning a presentation, frames make it easy to guide your audience section by section later on. Let's recap. You went to Miro.com, created something new, selected board, clicked the Frame tool, and drew a frame by clicking and dragging on the canvas. With that, you've mastered the core steps for adding a new frame in Miro and set yourself up for a more organized presentation-ready board.